Hey everyone, this is Josh Parnell with Limitless Leadership, welcoming you to the fastest 2 minutes in automotive. This is The Rundown.
Josh, thanks for the intro. Kevin, welcome back to the rundown. I'm going to jump right into some facts from our friends over at Market Genie. Overall, it looks like we're a little bit slower compared to last year, only showing a 2% growth. We're also down a little bit in revenue, so I'm interested to see what you're seeing on the shop management side.
Last theme that I would have for this year, Tony, is a bit of bipolar. You guys know that we track RO metrics on a weekly basis, and 2 weeks ago, we had over 335,000 ROs created with $186 million in attached revenue. Biggest week we've ever seen across 6 products in the 6 years that I've been doing this. Go to last week, and that was down by over 10,000 ROs and $13 million in revenue. I think there's just a lot of uncertainty happening in the market right now. You've seen it in your businesses. Some are really up, some are really down. Even pre-travel, for the summer, things are happening that would indicate an uncertain market. Tony, what's ASI doing in terms of AI, hopefully helping with some of that stability for our shops?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're actually launching brand new rate plans in June with a heavy focus and emphasis on all things AI. So really around GEO, AEO, overall visibility on the LLMs. We've noticed a big amount of traffic increase from LLMs over the last 12 months. So we've been doing some behind the scenes testing, some beta rollout. So we're ready, we're launching. Stay tuned for more. Kevin, I'm going to hop over to the feel good. What do you have for us this week?
Let's highlight the ACA Awards. The Auto Care Marketing and Communication Awards just happened earlier this week. We actually had Katie Russell, who's our Director of Marketing, representing Velo and ASI and a few others at that awards ceremony and conference. Tony, I want to give a shout out to you. We don't always pat each other on the back, but I think this is pretty cool as Autoshop Solutions won the Website Design Award through this conference. That's a really high honor. Some others that we saw out there, they have 12 categories, so it's not just like ASI specific. Liquid Moly, one for trade show booth design, packaging, Sensata Technologies, digital content, Mevo Tech. I'll put a list of the winners here in our post so they can check it out, but I would definitely recommend that you head over to the AutoCare website to see all the winners that came through. So congratulations, Tony, to your team for continuing to add to your awards mantle. Thanks, everybody, for joining the rundown. We'll see you next time.